Hey YouTube, Doug here from BandSaw Custom Fab. How's it going? It's been a while. Today's Saturday. I'm not working. This is what I've been working on though, some aluminum. I just did some mods to my saw stand, so stick around. So I did a video on this a while ago, just some saw rollers for my bandsaw. This thing here, you know what that's called, right? The kill saw. Anyway, so these are the stands that I built here, and I just used like Harbor Freight Princess Auto scissor jacks. Mounted the roller there, built the stand. And they've worked really well for me. I don't know how long it's been, a year maybe, more. Don't keep track. So one issue that I found when I was using heavier material, and lately I've been cutting some aluminum C8, and it's not really heavy, but I mean it's still fairly bulky, is that sometimes when I'm moving material they'll roll over, and if it's heavy the material will roll this thing, because if you look from the side you'll see there's no real support there this way, so you'll see it flexes pretty good, and when I get a heavy piece of something on there it'll just like want to roll over and almost wreck everything. So I've had an incident once or twice where if I'm moving the material, because it's a tripod, this will just fall, you know, because no support there. So came up with a solution in my sleep last night, and here it is. I found, but I cut a piece of pipe and made it fit a little tighter on this tube, and I welded some round bars up to where the stand is. Super simple, and you can see it operate right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Anyway, that slides down and up with the stand, so I can raise and lower it, no problem. But the big thing is there's no like lateral play there. It won't bend over because it's got this welded here and there, and that keeps it from going that way. I've got a little bit of play side to side, but that's good because my floor is not perfectly level and I need that. So I got one done. One more thing to prevent it from falling over when I'm moving material. I added a fourth leg, but I didn't touch it to the floor because you know, like a tripod is the best way for something to stand. But in case it ever wants to go over, it just goes over a little bit. I could probably bend that down a little more so it's closer, so that it just barely doesn't touch the ground. But yeah, so that's it. And once I get that, I got some more C8s to cut to fit in here, and continue with this project. That is a mighty fine fit up, if I do say so myself though. Like my video, subscribe, BandSaw Custom Fab, rock and roll.